I'm gonna show this awesome electric go-kart from Hyper GoGo. Let's unbox it. I'm really excited to see how it looks. It's pretty cool. Wow! It really looks like a race car. Let's take it out of the box. I'm really excited. Let's take it out of the box with some magic. Look at this. It's really, really cool. Let's see what's inside of the box. We have a user manual and this thing. I have no idea what it is. What is this? A helmet! Cool. What is this? Glasses! Let me take them on. It doesn't fit. I can't see anything. Okay, this came with the go-kart. Pretty cool. That's a very good detail. So the first thing you're gonna do is to pull up the front like this. You can just pull it up. It's pretty easy. The next thing you're gonna do is to pull the frame apart. There you go. And now you have to attach the steering wheel. Go. And now you have to tighten this lock. Pretty easy. The next thing you're going to do is to attach the steering wheel. And there's this little screw you have to screw up. There you go. Then put this on, and it should lock in place. Then screw it on. I always do that. There you go. And now you can turn. The next thing you're going to do is to attach the seat. There you go. And now you need to get your hoverboard and put it under. I have this one. It fits all hoverboards and skateboards, which is very, very nice. And then you need to lock this. There you go. And tighten this. There you go. And the other side. There you go. The last thing you're gonna do is to match the frame with your size. And the way to do it is just to tighten these where you want it. There you go. And on the other side. There you go. The suspensions is very, very good. Let's test it now. I'm very excited. I want to try my new helmet. It's very awesome. Oh, the brakes are pretty good. I want to try it outside. It's very, very nice. Let's go outside and test it now. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to order this awesome go-kart, there's a link down in the description. And the first 100 people to order from my link gets 15% discount. And remember to give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.